Hey guys, I'm back, ready to play some more games. Today, I'm gonna play Prison Life. It's gonna be fun, yeah. Hopefully I can escape again. I'm gonna be a prisoner. And I'm gonna go steal someone's car. Come on. Can't go outside. Can't go outside. Goodness. No! Damn. And I'm gonna go to jail! Yay! I just go to jail. Oh, I forgot I am in jail. Boo. I'm gonna join the prisoners so I can escape. Yeah. I'm gonna escape and go somewhere fun, yeah. No! Why did I go that way? Could have just been like, what the fuck is there? Carved in my hands. My hands. I'm a dirty piece of poopy. As you can see, I'm gonna go in the trash. Yay! Officer P reporting to go bring this guy to justice. Boom. 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 Oh man, there's a gun on my head. Oh man, he shot it off.
Stop packing. Oh, you recording another video?
Yeah.
Did you do your intro?
No.
Well, do your intro.
Well,
now.
yeah. Like it was up. Well, let's see if I can make it this time.
What game is that? I might actually join.
Prison Life. Prison Life.
I'm gonna watch a video. Sorry.
Oh, hell no, nigga. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can actually play now.
Well, let me go!
Should I make this one? gotta go read the description real quick.
Finally.
Let's go, baby! Different. Guess what? Okay, this is my channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go. On your channel, right?
Yeah.
See it right there?
What?
See it right there?
Yeah.
That right there. Boom. It sends everybody who sees your video straight to my account. You have 1 subscriber, so it sends me. What's this?
Prison life.
Escape?
No.
Will they try to escape?
No. It's prison life. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna play Prison Escape instead of Prison Life. Prison Escape is more fun. I can actually steal the cards.
Hey guys, it's your boy DJ, and
Go
I'm
do
back
yours
with
somewhere
another
else.
video.
Go do yours somewhere else.
Yeah, he's doing his own video right now, and he's good.
Where is it
now.
at?
He thinks he's
Here we go, looking for the game. It's gonna take forever.
I'm gonna be playing roblox with my brother. Yeah, I might put his
Get out,
channel
dude.
link
Get out.
in the
Do it
description
somewhere else.
below. He's still trying to. Okay. Alright, what do you play?
Prison Escape Prison.
That's what it's called. It's called Escape Prison.
Yeah.
Wait.
No.
Actually, I'm gonna throw it to you either way if you like it or not. Hey, you like my shirt? Well, you can get this merch in the link below. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that poppin'. I can't give nobody merch. I'm just. Go to edfilm.com to learn how to vlog. Yeah, Jake. My dad's also starting a vlog, but I don't know his YouTube channel right now. Let's get started.
Oh, yep, this game's frozen,
No, it's not.
as you can see.
Alright, my brother thinks his game is frozen. Let's see this out.
Let's see if it works now.
Turn the camera.
I'm not working. See if it even lets me leave. Oh, yep, I can play now.
Yeah!
What the fuck is it?
So easy.
I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, so easy. What?
See, you see how easy that is?
Yeah.
I don't cuss on my channel, just to let you know. But he cusses on his channel, so don't go subscribe to him. No, I'm just kidding. He's my favorite little bro.
Like that.
Yeah, right now he's doing his own video, and I'm interrupting.
And then wait until it freezes. I moved.
Viewers hate rage quits.
There we go. It
But
looks
yeah, I'm not rage quitting because I'm actually pretty happy. But I'm just gonna go join my brother.
okay, I know how to do it now.
Never mind, he's already here.
No, I'm not. Fucking retard.
This is really hard. I think this is made for raging. Because these are really far jumps. In Minecraft, this would be like a tree.
I can't make it!
I mean, he can't make it, but I'm doing perfectly fine. As you guys can see. But enough about me. What's going on with you guys? If you like this video, please hit that like button. And also, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. But right now, I'm gonna pause it because I gotta go see my grandpa. So,
We'll go see if these other games are like.
you quit?
I'm gonna play some Pokemon Fighters! No, I'm gonna play some, what is it called? Sword blocks. Sword blocks. Where's the recommended area? Recommended. Here we go. There it is, prison life. Here I will escape. Oh, ha, 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 ha. It's so crazy still. So crazy! This isn't a game. God damn! Let's see if I can actually find it in this now. Let's play some freeze tags, y'all. Damn. So sad. That's sad. Someone unfreeze me. Don't get frozen, man. Let's see if I can find anyone by doing this. Damn, I just lied. That's not good. I touched the ball. I touched the ball. Yay, I win. I want to be a doggy. I'm gonna be a doggy. Ruff, ruff. I'm gonna be Spider-Man because I'm cool. Yeah, guys. Like my hairline. Yeah, it's so amazing, yeah. It's the Spider-Man family. Whee! I can't slingshot though. See if I can make it up here before I get tagged. I'm on my way up, 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 way up. I'm at the top, yay!